How to hide photos on iPhone and even hide the hidden album. So if you want to hide the photos or hidden album in your iPhone, then what you need to do is first you need to simply open up or launch the Photos app on your iPhone or iPad. Then tap and select in the top right corner of the screen and tap on the pictures that you would like to hide. Tap on share button in the bottom left corner of your screen. It looks like a square with an arrow pointing out. In the share sheet actions menu, select hide. And in this way you'll be able to hide a photo. But if you want to hide a hidden folder in your photos, then launch the settings app. And under settings you need to scroll down and select the photos. And make sure the switch next to hidden album is in the gray off position. And if you ever want your hidden album to appear in photos again, then you can go with settings, photos, and toggle on the option under hidden album. So that's it. That's how you can hide photos on iPhone and even hide the hidden folder or album. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.